how to install Unity. In order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up any of your available browser, and once you open it up, you may use the search in order to search for Unity directly, and you should be finding this result. Now from the given results, you can head over the link directly, or you can directly click on this download option right here. So let's head over the link first. You may open it up and you should be finding this interface. On the very main screen, you can directly find a download option. All you gotta do is simply click on that download. Otherwise, you can look at plans and pricing first. So we have this Unity Student, which is free, and we have this Unity Personal and Unity Pro. You may go ahead and look out for the plans which is suitable for you. 2 of them are free, 1 of them is something you need to pay for. So go ahead and click on download in order to download it. After that, on your screen, you should be finding download for Windows option. Click on it, and then once you click on it, here at the top you should be finding download started. So here, just wait for this download to be completed on your desktop first, and once it is completed, you need to install it by opening it up. So go ahead and click on it and wait for the installation to complete. After that, you may follow on the on-screen prompts. Just click on next and click on install, hit install. And once you do that, just wait for the installation to be completed, and that's it. So that is how you basically download Unity on your desktop. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.